All right, welcome to Track Tec's second DIY video. Today we're going to be installing the Track Tec Chassis Brace, also known as an exhaust brace, as it goes right under the chassis tunnel there. So we're going to hop right into it. I'll just show you how to jack up the car, what jack points we use as far as how it's easiest. We're going to go through the tools as well. So let's hop over to the bench over here and I'll show you the tools. All right, so first, obviously you saw this already, but this is the Track Tec brace. It's made from 304 stainless steel, very high grade. It's gonna be basically the same thickness as OEM, but a lot more rigidity, a lot more strength here. And it just looks great as well with the cutouts. You're gonna take a 6mm Allen, and basically I'll use this ratchet today just to make it easy, but you can use a hand ratchet. If you like an extension, you can use this as well. It's not necessary, so I'm just gonna basically toss this guy on here, and this is gonna be all we need other than jacking it up. So we'll jack it up and show you that process and get it done. So we're going to position this jack just at the rear jack point and keep it as 90 degrees to the car as possible. All right. We have a second vehicle in here, so I can't pump all the way. Slowly but surely. So you want to get this side up pretty high. I have actually blocked the front wheel as well already on the driver's side, just to make sure that it doesn't move forward. So that should be pretty good. You're just gonna need to be able to slide underneath this side. So we're gonna grab the roller, we're gonna grab the two jack stands to secure it, and we're gonna leave this jack right here. All right, so the first jack stand, you're gonna position at the front jack point. Just slide it up so that it's basically as close to snug as possible. And just for security, get one end right into the jack point there. And then the rear jack point, you're gonna slide under this subframe, So all the way up and slide it along under this brace. So now I'm gonna grab the crawler and I'm gonna just push it right in front of the jack here. So the chassis brace is basically right in line with the door line. That's an easy way to find it. If you follow that under, it's gonna be right in the center there. All right, so now that you're under here, you'll be able to see the 6 bolts. So you have 3 on each side here of this chassis brace. So this is the brace we're replacing here. I like to always do the far side first. So we'll quickly just remove these. Perfect. And the brace should actually still sit because it is held up by these subframe braces as well. So once you've removed all the bolts, you just slide it towards the front of the car. And out she comes. All right, so here we have the braces side by side. As you can see, the Track Tec brace looks a lot better. It does have a tiny bit more weight. This is gonna be stamped aluminum cut, whereas this is actually laser cut stainless steel. So a lot more high quality and a lot higher grade. And again, just a lot more rigidity built in with this brace. So let's hop back under there and get her installed. All right, so now that we're back under the car here, we're just gonna slide this in. It does have a logo side, so I mean, make sure that that is facing downwards. And once you have it lined up, it's pretty straightforward. You're gonna just finger tighten these bolts and thread them in by hand, and then we'll snug them up with the ratchet once we're done. All right, and there is no torque specs for this brace, so just go as tight as the electric ratchet will go. or snug it up pretty nicely with your hand, but you don't have to overly tighten these. Just do one final little tighten, snug them up. All right, so now that the brace is all installed, I'm just gonna remove the jack stands. And lower it back down. And that's it. The easiest DIY by Track Tec. Easiest part to install. It's gonna add rigidity to the car, more predictable on the track. Just a great part to have installed on your car. Check it out at Track Tec today.